Colorado. Wind blows in the old rocking chair wobbles. He's just a waving, everybody's welcome. All he can say about the youth is Lord help him. Got a couple grandbabies, but they never called though. Left him in the South, then they moved to Chicago. Wife's in heaven, and he says ever since Vietnam life's been hard as a veteran. Simple life, just a six-pack, yeah, ice cold. Cross the Georgia line for a ticket for the lotto. Probably never see his name in the headlines, but if I had a plane, I'd put it in the sky, Alabama.
I'll write your name across the sky and take away the stars, 'cause you light up the night. You as high as the moon when you're here with me. That's why I'm gonna write your name for the world to see.
She's in love, yeah, friends call her crazy. Met him at a party, they started dating. Daddy's little angel, mama's little lady. Only 16 now, Brenda's got a baby. She can't afford to drop out of high school. Jimmy's not a man and he can't provide you. He doesn't want to, but you keep it anyhow. 9 months down the road, what you gonna do now? Go to the food stamp office and apply. Think you find a job that'll help you get by. And you made it when you didn't know how. Now that's a real star, put a name in the clouds, Alabama.
I'll write your name across the sky and take away the stars, 'cause you light up the night. You as high as the moon when you're here with me. That's why I'm gonna write your name for the world to see.
You may never be on television or be the one. Your boss at work loves giving you employee of the month. May never be the first string on a championship